okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. If my English is poor, but I understand you. That's not fun of me, huh? Everybody's not fun of me.
When you go to
I understand.
please can you off the microphone? The brother is crazy.
Allah changed his mind.
Allah doesn't change the mind.
For prophet of before, Allah's father. But no, it's no father.
Allah not changes the mind.
My name is Gemachu Teshite. I'm glad to see you, Dr. Zakir Naik. I'm so happy.
ስሜ ገመቹ ተሽቴ ይባላል። ስላየሁ ደስ ብሎኛል ዶክተር ዛኪር ናይክ በጣም ደስተኛ ነኝ።
Sorry, which microphone? Third microphone?
ይቅርታ የትኛው ማይክሮፎን ነው? ሶስተኛው ማይክሮፎን ነው?
Yes.
Yes, what's the name?
እሺ ስምህ ማን ነው?
My name is Gemachu Teshite. Can you hear me?
ስሜ ገመቹ ተሽቴ ነው። ትሰማኛለህ?
Sorry, Umesh.
Gemachu.
ይቅርታ ማን አልከኝ? ሁመሽ ነው ያልከኝ?
Umesh.
Gemachu.
ገመቹ። ይቅርታ ያንተ ጥፋት አይደለም፣ የስፒከሩ ችግር ነው። ስምህን ንገረኝ በድጋሚ።
My name is Gemachu. Maybe it's heard, I don't know.
ስሜ ገመቹ ነው። ይሰማል መሰለኝ አላውቅም።
Karnacho.
Gemachu, yeah.
ገመቹ ነው? አዎ ገመቹ። እሺ ተቀብያለሁ።
Translate by English. My name is, it means happy. It's not that anything.
ወደ እንግሊዘኛ ሲተረጎም የስሜ ትርጉሙ ደስታ ማለት ነው።
Yeah.
What is your profession?
እሺ የሥራ ዘርፍህንና ጥያቄህን መጠየቅ ትችላለህ። የሥራ ዘርፍ